guys, on today's quick tip Q&A, we're going to show you how to do the bypass on your W4500 or your 4400NEX. So first things first, let's take a look at the wiring harness. Now in the Pioneer wiring harness, you have this long light green wire. This light green wire has to be connected to ground. Your ground is your black wire. Connect the two together. Go ahead and plug this into the back of the radio. Like this. That's all that needs to be done behind the radio. Now once the radio's gone ahead and powered up, go ahead and select from your drop down menu, source off. You want it to look just like this. The other thing you want to do is go into your gears and go to demo and make sure the demo mode is turned off. Once that's done, we're going to concentrate on this corner of the radio right here. Basically what you're looking to do is apply pressure about a 1/2 inch over and about a 1/2 inch up. Put your finger there and just press and hold. It's going to take a minute, but you're going to see something here that's going to pop up and say set on. Just like that. Now once set on has appeared, you've gone ahead and put the radio in demo mode. Now it's unlocked and you can do whatever you'd like with it. Now this demo mode will only work with the AVIC radios. Those are radios that begin with AVIC, or the 4400 or the 4500. None of the other radios will work this way. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.